Are you still spending hours manually editing real estate photos or waiting days for an outsourcing team to send them back? What if you could get polished, listing-ready property images delivered in less than 10 minutes? Today, we're looking at Autoenhance AI, an AI-powered real estate photo editing tool that promises to completely streamline your post-production workflow. If you are a real estate photographer, you know that the editing bottleneck is real. Autoenhance AI aims to solve this with a simple three-step system. First, you drag and drop your full property shoot into the platform. The AI is smart enough to automatically detect bracketed exposures, interiors, and exteriors, saving you the headache of manual sorting. Second, you choose your preferences, whether you want sky replacement, window pulls, or color correction. Finally, the AI does the heavy lifting, and you get your finished, consistent edits back in just 5 to 10 minutes. Let's talk about the standout features. Autoenhance AI handles the tedious, time-consuming tasks that usually take hours in Photoshop. It does HDR merging, combining bracketed exposures into balanced, natural-looking images. It also does window pulls, which keep the indoor rooms bright while revealing the clear outdoor views. Plus, you get automatic sky replacement for dull exterior shots, color and perspective correction to straighten those vertical lines, and even camera removal to wipe out reflections and mirrors. Now, for an honest look at the pros and cons. On the pro side, the speed is undeniable. Getting a full shoot edited in under 10 minutes is a massive win for scaling your business and keeping clients happy. It also reduces your reliance on expensive manual editors. On the con side, because we have limited independent third-party user reviews available right now, it's hard to say how it performs on highly complex or unconventional architectural shots. While the website features glowing testimonials from photographers who love the workflow and fair pricing, every photographer has their own style. Our final verdict? If you want to cut down your editing time and costs, Autoenhance AI is absolutely worth testing. Since they offer a try-for-free option on their website, the best move is to upload a few of your own challenging shots and see how the AI handles them. What do you think? Is AI the future of real estate photography, or do you still prefer the manual touch? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.